Did you know that sign language is the primary means of communication for over 70 million people worldwide? American Sign Language, or ASL, is a complex and nuanced language that requires years of practice to master. But what if we could use technology to make ASL more accessible to everyone? AITS engineers have created wearable gear including hand gloves with electronic speakers that translate ASL gestures into spoken language to connect mute populations to the rest of the 8 billions in the world. According to the World Federation of the Mute, approximately 72 million mute people worldwide, many of whom use sign language as their primary means of communication. In a survey conducted by the National Institute on Deafness and Other Communication Disorders, about 35% of mute adults in the United States have reported experiencing discrimination in healthcare settings, highlighting the importance of developing accurate ASL translation and speech systems to improve communication and access to healthcare for mute individuals. AITS engineers have developed a low-code platform with templates to identify ASL using TinyML and AI algorithms. ASL recognition using TinyML devices offers a promising solution for addressing the challenges of ASL translation and speech. TinyML devices allow for on-device processing, which enables real-time ASL translation and speech without relying on cloud-based servers or high-end hardware. This also helps to address issues related to privacy and security concerns that may arise from transmitting sensitive information to remote servers. Overall, incorporating TinyML devices into ASL translation and speech systems offers a promising solution for addressing the challenges faced by traditional ASL translation and speech systems, and has the potential to greatly improve the accessibility and inclusivity of communication for mute individuals. The ASL translation and speech problem is recognizing the complex and nuanced language of American Sign Language, which presents numerous challenges related to variability, non-manual components, limited data, real-time processing, ambiguity, noise, and user dependence. TinyML devices offer an edge-based machine learning solution that enables on-device processing, reducing the reliance on cloud-based servers, improving processing speed, reducing latency, and increasing privacy, thereby improving the accessibility and inclusivity of ASL communication. Consider using free sign-up to contribute your sign gesture data or create your own ASL translation and speech inference solution on www.tinyml.studio and help your mute friends and neighbors. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.